Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng rent-to-own house? No spot down payment dahil malilipatan mo na to kahit hindi pa fully paid ang ating DP. Modern minimalist house na may free fence and gate. You can reserve this property for as low as 5,000 reservation fee. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Minimum lot size for inner unit is 42 square meters. Kaya naman may space pa tayo dito sa back for service area at extension ng inyong kitchen. And also may provision ito for one carport. May floor area tayo na 42.34 square meters. Kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating minimalist living, dining, and kitchen area. Semi-finished turnover, kaya naman naka-primary paint na tayo, sliding windows, complete fixture sa ating toilet and bath, at may provision for 2 bedroom. Included na din ang ating ceiling. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize mo ang layout at sukat ng inyong room, pati na rin ang design ng tiles. Monthly down payment for 12 months is 3,500 only. At para sa ating second batch ng equity for 36 months is 4,681.11. At once loan takeout na tayo kay Pag-ibig, subject for turnover na po ito at magsasabay na ang maabutan natin na equity at ang ating monthly amortization. At ang magiging total nito ay 15,350 hanggang matapos lang ang ating second equity. At balik na po tayo sa normal natin na monthly amortization na 10,489.50. Kaya naman kung nangungupahan ka ngayon, napakagandang opportunity nito dahil mapapasayo at sarili mo ng property ang hinuhulugan mo. Located ito sa Barangay Calubcob, Naik, Cavite at accessible to Manila via Cavitex. Kaya kung ayaw mo nang makupahan, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!